Welcome, and from me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, any kind of data from your phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, we will need to open up the File Manager app, which is called Files here. Tap on it, let's continue, and scroll down where you should see both of your storages. So you have the internal storage and the SD card below that. Now, if you don't have anything below apps, you need to tap on the three dots and go to Show Storage Devices. So for me it says Hide Storage Devices, for you it will be Show Storage Devices if you don't see them here. And from there, I'm going to start with the internal storage. Both of them have the same folders, as you will see right now, basically identical. So once we get in here, just a brief kind of guide. DCIM folder will contain any pictures or videos captured with the phone itself. Then you also have a pictures folder which will contain screenshots, and also there is a downloads folder which will contain anything that you have downloaded on the device. And apart from that, you have additional folders, things like ringtones, podcasts, notifications, music, movies. Those should usually be empty, maybe minus the music folder. I'm not sure if Spotify, for instance, saves into it if you choose to download music from there. But majority of those folders should be empty, assuming you don't have some kind of app that would actually save in there, and there isn't very many of them. So from there, let's find our files, which for me, I'm gonna choose the couple photos. It looks like 2 selfies and 2 macros. So let's select them, and you select it by simply holding the file. As you can see, it changes, it adds this check mark, and then you can tap on additional ones to select multiple. Now if you have entire folder full of photos, tap on the 3 dots, I believe, and looks like it's not here, so it looks like there is no select all options. Oh, there it is. So it disappears when you deselect all. Okay, so it changes when you have selected all of them. As you can see, you can select all of them if you want to, like so, and this will select every single file in that folder. Now this is one way you can do it, assuming you want one or multiple files. You can also select the entire folder itself the same way, and this will include everything that is in it. Whichever way you choose it is completely up to you. Now once it's selected, tap on the 3 dots again, and you have the 2 options, move or copy. And this is again completely up to preference. Move option will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while copy will create additional set of the same files in new location while keeping the old one where they are right now. So select, like I said, whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move, and from there, when you choose either one of those, it pops up with the 2 storages, so you can move it either somewhere on the phone, just change the location, or to an SD card, which just changes the entire storage place. I'm gonna go with the SD card, and from here you can see that there are all the folders that we previously seen, but this is on the SD card. And what you wanna do is just navigate to a folder that you wish to move it to, or simply move it right here. Now, again, this is completely up to your preference where you wanna move it. I'm just gonna drop it right over here. Let's continue, and we need to grant access, so tap on that and allow. As you can see, there we go, it has been moved. Now we're back in the internal storage where the files were located at the beginning in the DCIM folder, and as you can see, there is no more camera folder in here. Instead, it can be found on the SD card camera right over here just now, and in here are the 4 photos that I have moved. So the same process works for any kind of file that you want to move. It's the exact same procedure for any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.